Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on Madagaja official trailer.
Yes, and we have Srimurli Umapati as Gowda in this movie. The movie banner is Umapati Films.
Yes.
The movie director is S. Mahesh Kumar. Music given by Ravi Basrur. And the producer is Umapati Srinivas Gowda. Okay, so let's get started. Srimurli ji ka movie hai and it is a trailer and it is having English subtitles. So
Yes.
this is a great thing for us to understand more about it. I think ये कौन सा language का movie
This is
है?
Karnataka
Karnataka,
films, yes.
Kannada movies,
Kannada.
right? So let's get started. We are super duper excited. But also, well, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe channel, guys, and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yes.
ತಾಯಿ 28 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ 28 ಸರ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಇಷ್ಟ?
ಕ್ರೌರ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಇಷ್ಟ, ದ್ವೇಷದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಳ್ಮೆನೇ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಹುಲಿನ ಬೇಟೆ ಆಡಬೇಕು, ನಾರಿನಲ್ಲ.
Oh my God.
ಊಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಗಳನ್ನ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಸಾವನಲ್ಲಿ ತಲೆಗಳನ್ನ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಡೋನು ಆ ಶಿವ, ನರಕ ತೋರ್ಸೋನು ಈ ತಾಂಡವ. ಭಯ ಬಿದ್ರೆ ದೀಪಕ್ಕೆ ಬತ್ತಿನೂ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇದ್ರೆ
Oh my God.
Trailer is super.
Wow. Oh, Ganesh ji.
Style. Wow. Yes, Mahesh Kumar.
3rd December. Grand release.
Grand release, so it's releasing in theater.
In theaters, yes.
Right? Yes.
Roaring.
Wow.
Star Srimurli hashtag. Oh my goodness.
This movie particularly, I think it is having everything.
It's having everything. Yeah.
Like
Complete package.
we have seen a lot of the action scenes. It will be there. And
It's an action movie, only action
full on
movie,
action,
full on action.
emotional scene will be there.
Yeah.
Of course,
behind that, a lot of things are there.
things are there.
Ah.
Fighting for the village rights or something, it will be there,
Yes.
right? A lot of the things is there. What about
It
the
was very raw.
cinematography?
the picturization, bolo, your direction, it's very raw. The everything is like happening like right in front of your eyes. I'm telling you, right? Like Indian film industry. Is like
Now it
upgraded like
started
anything.
ruling,
They have started ruling over. This Kannada film industry also. They are also, you know, हम भी है. They are
Yes,
just
of
like
course.
that.
They are also
Okay, they be like
roaring, right?
my goodness, this is actually roaring star Srimurli. हम जो देखे जो hashtag यहाँ पे लिखा था मादागाजा का, it's awesome. मतलब the way वो जो दिखाया ना चाय गिर रहा था,
That was
I
too
was,
much
my
raw,
goodness,
seriously.
it was raw. पूरा धुआं निकल रहा था and I can imagine like the pain. Okay, I was feeling the pain. It was so real.
Of course, the
Amazing.
the whatever the picturization and the way it was executed,
Ah.
slow motion, and the match with the BGM.
BGM.
The BGM, it was matching perfectly.
Yes.
That was slow music was there, and with
Yes.
the slow motion, each and every scene was executed somewhat slow in slow motion.
Yes.
So it was totally relatable to understand. We were able to understand everything.
Yes,
Right?
and the person like who was there, that white beard wala person, he is very famous actor actually. We have seen him in Telugu movies also as well, and he mostly prefer to do the villain role, and that is very suitable
He has done
in
few
his
movies
get up.
in, Bollywood as
हाँ
well.
बॉलीवुड ऑल्सो कुछ मूवीज किए हैं. तो मतलब शिव मुरली जी का तो अलग ही, मतलब हिज बॉडी फिट एंड एवरीथिंग, लाइक ही इज टॉल, ही इज हैविंग दैट परफेक्ट बॉडी शेप.
He was acting like a rowdy kind.
Rowdy kind of, yes, he is having a lot of things in his heart. It was like looking by his facial expression. This is what the talent, you know, that वो लोग ऐसे तरीके से निकालते हैं अपने एक्सप्रेशन को, जो लगता है सही में लोगों के साथ हुआ है ऐसा, and they're portraying some
They were
real story.
The real acting.
Real
was,
acting it is actually.
And also the style. The style was superb, right? The
Superb,
way he
superb.
was doing the styles and all. The last scene where the bike he kicked with his feet, right? That one.
leg.
And then he rode on the bike. That
Yes.
was awesome.
Awesome,
The ending
awesome.
was awesome.
The whole, even the trailer also itself, the trailer beautifully made. All the scenes are well synced with each other, so you can
Starting
understand the context.
dialogue was there.
हाँ,
That
जो dialogue
made
था.
us understand.
Made us understand the little bit about the context. So it is brilliantly done. But yeah, the
So I think
movie is
in
very
the-
kind of raw. So if you are if you can't see that much blood or that much jishum, so I think it would be a little disturbing. But
Yes.
चलता है movie
But
में,
coming
तो
to
ऐसा
the
चलता
story
है.
was what I predict, this story will not be the unique one.
No, it's
right?
not a unique story.
It will not be the
Yes,
unique one, but it will be the pleasure for eyes to watch, right? And here, whatever the Murli sir he is acting,
Shiv
I
Murli
think
sir.
his father have died long back, and then he will be coming to take revenge or something. It will be
Yeah,
there. And
he is a loving son,
protecting the son, whole village and all. It was
Yeah.
like that, and
I think some मतलब वो तो ना बदला
Yes,
लेने के लिए,
right.
because his mother also is like have been like faced a lot, right, in the past, and that is what, like, he was at the very last, he was just holding her feet and like a son only, beloved son.
Yes,
And in between a lot of things have happened. Maybe they have seen, this family have seen a lot of things, and this is a ladai between the positive and the negative mainly.
Yes, of
So
course, of
storyline, it's not that much unique, but yeah, the execution is like commendable.
Execution, music will be
Yes,
there, and
everything.
their acting will be there, little bit of romance will be there. So overall,
Yeah.
it will be good movie, right?
Very true. And at the very beginning, I had a huge respect at the time when I saw that the Punit Rajkumar ji का जो ये लोग tribute दिए अपने ये trailer के माध्यम से,
That
is
was really
very good, actually.
really great that they have given a tribute
Yeah,
as well, because
yes.
he is one of the superstar of the Kannada film.
Kannada film industry, and
His
his
means,
loss is like
untimely passing away. It was not expected.
Very much. So yeah, that is it for today's video, Mother Gaza. It's a 10 on 10 from our side, because it's awesome, and it's like giving you thrill, giving you goosebumps and everything. So it is a 10 on 10 from our side, the trailer, and the movie is going to be released on 3rd December in theater. So मौज करो गाइस. जो लोग कर्नाटका में हैं, हम तो नहीं है कर्नाटका में, अगर रहते तो जरूर जाते ये मूवी देखने के लिए, क्योंकि देखने के मतलब जो पिक्चराइजेशन था इस मूवी का, इट्स marvelous, really. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you love our reaction, please subscribe channel guys, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.